Ever felt like you missed the boat on the whole tech gold rush? Like everyone else is cashing in on AI while you're still trying to figure out how to use it? Well, what if I told you the boat hasn't just not sailed? It's literally waiting for you at the dock. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you 10 incredible ways you can start making anywhere from $300 to over $1,000 a week using AI, even if you're starting from absolute zero. No coding, no fancy degrees, just a willingness to learn and a little bit of hustle. So grab a notebook, because your journey from AI Zero to AI Hero starts right now. First up, let's talk about something we all do: writing. But what if you could supercharge it? Method number one is AI-powered copywriting and content creation. Businesses, big and small, are desperate for high-quality blog posts, social media updates, and website copy. Tools like Jasper or ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, draft articles, and even refine your tone in seconds. You don't need to be a literary genius. You just need to be good at understanding what a client wants and using AI to deliver it faster and better. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, starting with smaller projects to build your portfolio. It's totally possible to land your first client this week and start earning. Next, let's get visual. Method number two is AI graphic design. Gone are the days when you needed to spend years mastering complex software. With tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI features, you can create stunning logos, social media graphics, and even full brand kits with simple text prompts. Think about it. Every new business, every YouTube channel, every influencer needs a visual identity. You can be the one to provide it. You can offer packages like 10 social media templates for $150, or logo and brand guide for $300. The demand is massive, and the entry barrier has never been lower. Method number three is a personal favorite: AI video editing services. Video is king, but editing is a huge time sink for creators and businesses. That's where you come in. Tools like Descript or Adobe's Sensei AI can automatically cut out silences, generate captions, and even help you create multiple short clips from one long video. You could offer a service to YouTubers or Instagram influencers, turning their raw footage into polished, engaging content. You can charge per video or offer a monthly retainer. This is a high-demand skill that people will gladly pay a premium for, saving them their most valuable asset: time. All right, method four is for the organized minds out there: becoming an AI-powered virtual assistant. This isn't your typical VA role of just scheduling appointments. We're talking about a super VA. You can use AI to automate reports, manage social media accounts with AI-driven content calendars, handle customer service inquiries with chatbots you help set up, and conduct market research in a fraction of the time. You're not just an assistant. You're a one-person efficiency engine for a busy entrepreneur or a small team. This is a role where you can easily secure long-term, stable contracts. Now, for method number five: AI-generated voiceovers. Have you noticed how many videos and ads use those crystal-clear, professional-sounding voices? Many of them are AI. With platforms like Murph or 11 Labs, you can generate incredibly realistic voiceovers in any style or language. You can offer your services for YouTube videos, corporate training materials, podcasts, and audiobooks. The best part? You don't need an expensive microphone or a soundproof studio. You just need a good ear for what sounds right, and the ability to edit the script and pacing to perfection. Halfway there, method six is building and managing AI chatbots for businesses. Every website you visit these days seems to have a little chat window pop up. Businesses love them because they can handle customer questions 24/7. But someone needs to build and train them. Using no-code platforms like TDO or ChatFuel, you can design chatbots that answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, and even book appointments. You can charge a one-time setup fee and then a monthly retainer for maintenance and updates. It's a fantastic way to build recurring revenue. Method number 7 is for the creative storytellers, AI-assisted children's book creation. This is such a cool niche. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm story ideas and write the text. Then use Midjourney to generate beautiful, whimsical illustrations. Once you have your book, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP. Imagine creating a passive income stream from a book you brought to life in just a weekend. You can create stories about anything: brave knights, curious aliens, talking animals. Your imagination is the only limit, and AI is your personal illustrator. Let's move on to Method 8, offering AI consulting and training for small businesses. A lot of small business owners are hearing the AI hype, but they're overwhelmed and don't know where to start. You can be their guide. You can offer one-on-one coaching sessions or small group workshops, teaching them how to use specific AI tools to improve their marketing, sales, or operations. You can charge by the hour or create a starter pack for a flat fee. You're not just selling a service, you're selling knowledge and confidence, which is incredibly valuable. Method 9 taps into the e-commerce boom: AI product description writing. If you've ever shopped online, you know that a good product description can make or break a sale. Online store owners have hundreds, sometimes thousands of products, and writing unique, persuasive descriptions for each one is a monumental task. You can specialize in using AI to craft compelling, SEO-optimized descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. You can find clients on Shopify forums, e-commerce Facebook groups, or by directly reaching out to brands you think could use a refresh. And finally, method number 10, creating and selling AI art and prompts. This is for the true artists and tinkerers. As you get good with AI image generators, you'll realize that the real skill is in writing the perfect prompt. A good prompt is like a magic spell. You can sell your most stunning AI-generated art on sites like Etsy as digital downloads or print-on-demand products. Even more lucrative? You can sell your master prompts. People will pay for well-crafted prompts that reliably produce amazing results. You can sell them as prompt packs for different styles, like vintage sci-fi poster prompts or fantasy character prompts. So, there you have it. 10 tangible, actionable ways you can start making serious money with AI right now. We covered everything from writing and design to consulting and even creating children's books. The key is to stop being intimidated by AI and start seeing it as your ultimate sidekick. Pick one of these methods that excites you, dive in, and start learning. The resources are all out there. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be willing to take that first step. The world is changing fast, and those who adapt will thrive. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of a revolution and build a new income stream or even a whole new career for yourself. You have the potential to go from zero to AI hero, and the journey is more accessible than you could ever imagine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to level up your life and your income. Let me know in the comments which of these 10 methods you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating. See ya! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary: how you can start making some serious cash with AI, even if you're starting from scratch. We're talking about going from zero to AI hero, and I'm going to show you 10 practical ways you could potentially earn anywhere from $300 to $1,000 a week. No, this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, and you can be a part of it. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock your earning potential with artificial intelligence. First up on our list is AI-powered copywriting and content creation. Think about it. Every business needs content. Website copy, blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters. The list is endless. Now, with AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can generate high-quality drafts in seconds. Your job is to take that AI-generated text, refine it, add your human touch, inject some personality, and make sure it's factually accurate. You're not just a writer. You're an AI-enhanced editor. You can easily find gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Clients are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can produce great content quickly. And with AI as your assistant, you can take on more projects and boost your income significantly. Method number 2. AI-powered social media management. Managing social media is a full-time job, and many small businesses just don't have the time. That's where you come in. Using AI tools, you can schedule posts across multiple platforms, analyze what kind of content performs best, and even generate ideas for new posts and campaigns. You can help businesses grow their online presence by creating a content calendar, designing simple graphics with tools like Canva's AI features, and engaging with their audience. You're offering a complete package, saving them time and getting them results. It's a highly in-demand service, and you can manage several clients at once, stacking up that weekly income. Let's move on to number 3, AI art and graphic design. You've probably seen those mind-blowing images created by AI. Well, you can turn that into a revenue stream. With tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3, you can generate stunning, unique visuals for clients. People need logos, blog post illustrations, custom t-shirt designs, and even book covers. You don't need to be a traditionally trained artist. Your skill lies in crafting the perfect prompts to bring a client's vision to life. You can sell these designs as digital downloads on Etsy, offer your services on freelance sites, or even create print-on-demand products. It's a fun, creative way to make money. And the possibilities are literally as endless as your imagination. Coming in at number 4 is creating AI-powered chatbots for businesses. Almost every website you visit now has a little chat window pop up. Many of these are powered by AI. Businesses love them because they can answer customer questions 24/7, book appointments, and even generate leads. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds complicated. But there are user-friendly platforms out there that allow you to build and train chatbots with no coding required. You can offer to set up and manage these bots for local businesses or online stores. By helping them improve customer service and save time, you're providing immense value, which means you can charge a premium for your services. Number 5 on our list is AI-powered video editing and creation. Video is king of content, but editing can be a huge time sink. AI is changing the game. There are tools that can automatically transcribe videos, generate subtitles, find the best clips from long footage, and even help with color correction. You can offer video editing services to YouTubers, course creators, and businesses using AI to speed up your workflow dramatically. This allows you to handle more clients and finish projects faster. You could even use AI to create entire faceless YouTube channels, generating scripts, voiceovers, and visuals to build a passive income stream over time. Okay, halfway through. Let's talk about method number 6, becoming an AI consultant for small businesses. Many business owners hear the buzz about AI but have no idea how to actually use it to improve their operations. That's your opportunity. You can position yourself as an expert who helps them identify areas where AI can make a difference. This could be anything from automating their customer service with a chatbot, like we mentioned, to implementing AI for email marketing or data analysis. You're not just selling a service, you're selling a strategy. You can charge for an initial audit and then offer a monthly retainer to help them implement and manage these new AI systems. Let's dive into number 7, AI-driven data analysis and reporting. This sounds technical, but stick with me. Businesses are sitting on mountains of data, and they need people who can help them make sense of it. AI tools can analyze sales data, customer behavior, and market trends in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Your job is to use these tools to pull out the key insights and present them in a simple, easy-to-understand report. You can help a company figure out their most profitable products or identify their ideal customer. You're providing actionable intelligence that can directly increase their profits, making your service incredibly valuable. Our 8th method is AI voiceover services. The demand for high-quality voiceovers for videos, podcasts, and audiobooks is booming. While human voice actors are amazing, AI voice technology has gotten unbelievably realistic. You can use AI voice generators to create clean, professional-sounding voiceovers in various languages and accents. Your role is to select the right voice, fine-tune the pacing and intonation, and ensure the final product sounds natural and engaging. This is a fantastic service to offer content creators and businesses who need voiceovers quickly and affordably. You're the director, guiding the AI to a perfect performance. Next up, at number 9, we have AI-powered tutoring and course creation. Education is a massive industry, and AI is personalizing the learning experience. You can use AI to help you create a specialized online course on a topic you're passionate about. AI can help you outline the curriculum, write scripts for your lessons, and even create quizzes. Alternatively, you could offer personalized AI-assisted tutoring services. You can use AI tools to create customized learning plans and practice exercises for students, helping them master difficult subjects. You're essentially becoming a high-tech educator, leveraging AI to deliver better learning outcomes. And finally, number 10, becoming a prompt engineer. This is one of the newest and most exciting roles to emerge from the AI boom. A prompt engineer is someone who specializes in writing the instructions, or prompts, that tell an AI what to do. The quality of the AI's output, whether it's text or an image, depends almost entirely on the quality of the prompt. As more companies integrate AI into their workflows, they need people who are experts at communicating with these models to get the best possible results. You can offer your services as a freelance prompt engineer, helping businesses optimize their use of AI tools. This is a high-skill, high-demand area with massive earning potential. So there you have it. 10 real, actionable ways to start making money with AI, from content creation and design to consulting and prompt engineering. The key takeaway is that you don't need to be a coder or a data scientist. You need to be creative, adaptable, and willing to learn how to use these incredible new tools. Your value lies in being the human in the loop, guiding the AI to produce amazing results for clients. Start by picking 1 or 2 methods that sound most interesting to you. Play around with the free AI tools available, build a small portfolio, and start putting yourself out there. The world is changing fast, and those who embrace AI are going to be the ones who thrive. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor and build a profitable side hustle or even a full-time career. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this sparked some ideas and gave you the confidence to start your own AI journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Let me know in the comments which of these methods you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep learning and keep creating.